Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is a 4-hour chart of DXY. Yesterday, when we discussed about the chart of Euro USD, DXY was just standing at the support of 104.60, 104.65. As the XY was not showing a proper bounce, we were kind of skeptical. Okay, we discussed about the possibility of DXY going down further and hitting the next support. And as per our expectation, DXY broke the support here and headed towards the support of the 50 moving average. And the support worked perfectly. We could see a perfect bounce. And when the small correction came on the chart of the XY, we saw good upside, good recovery on the chart of Euro USD at that particular point of time. And now you can see that DXY is standing at 104.94. This is the current market price. And if we look at the overall trend of DXY, then we can clearly see that market is trying to continue the overall trend again. So the possibility of DXY heading towards 105.50 is still intact. So this is the next resistance for the XY. But keep in mind that the volatility of the market is lowering, is going down. So as a result, you need to also focus DXY around the previous high as well. Because if DXY fails to break the previous high, then we may see a double top kind of a formation and market going down. Okay, so but as of now, 105.50 should be on this side. Okay, and if you look at the economic calendar, forexfactory.com, you can see that we have a news coming up during the US session. So please be careful. As I always say, traders, do not gamble with a hard-earned money. Beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to stay away from the news. Okay. Now let's talk about the Euro USD. So yesterday, when Euro USD was showing strong upside, we saw a perfect reversal from the resistance level we have been discussing. That is 1.0645 level. Market made a high of 1.0646 and market showed a complete reversal. Hopefully you got good money. Right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0584. So the levels for the day are, the support is still the same. Okay, the support is still the same. In case market shows a downside, if the rise on DXY continues, then the support level will be the same. That is 1.0535 to 1.0545. 1.0535 to 1.0545. This is the support of Euro USD. But keep in mind, this is not a strong support. Already we have discussed plenty of times that in a trending market like this, there is no strong support. Because usually you will always see market breaking the support and going down, because the structure of the market is like this, market forming lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so but if the volatility of the market is low, if you see DXY struggling around the previous high and reversing, okay, then you can expect the support to work. Okay, if you see DXY reversing from the previous high, DXY unable to cross the previous high, then you can definitely expect Euro USD to take support around this area and bouncing. So if you see Euro USD at the support, then observe the chart of DXY for additional confirmation, because after all, we cannot deny that this market is in downtrend right now. Okay, so this support is not very strong, and as we already know that the strongest support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0500 to 1.0480. We have been discussing about this level for last 2 weeks, I believe. So this is a strong support, this is a weak support. We are not sure about the weak support. Only the chart of DXY will tell whether this support will work or not. This is a weak support, so as a result, volatility of the market will play a big role. Okay. On the other hand, if you see Euro USD going up, then the first level will be 1.0618. This is the first level where you need to see or observe Euro USD. Why? Let me tell you. First of all, you can see that this high made by the market worked perfectly yesterday. So if Euro USD goes up, okay, listen to me carefully. If Euro USD goes up, then if market reverses from this particular level here, why? Because we have Fibonacci 50 as well as we have the 50 moving average. Okay, listen to me carefully. 50 moving average plus Fibonacci 50% retracement level. Both are very strong. If market reverses from this particular level here, we have a head and shoulder formation. And there will be a high chance that market will be going down. Clear? So first level will be 1.0618 level. If market reaches this level, observe the market. If you see market struggling around this area, if you see price rejection from above, you can go for a sell position with proper risk management. This is our first level for the day as resistance. Secondly, we have 1.0667. This level here. We also have 1.0650 also. Okay, 1.0650, 1.0645 also. This particular level or the high made by the market. But to be honest, I am not very sure about this high, but I think that this is a better resistance for us to consider. This is a level where we can go for a sell limit also. So on the chart of Euro USD, I think we have, though we have three resistances, this one, this one, this one, but I think this level should work, that is 1.0618 level and 1.0667 level. In case market reverses from this particular level during the day, you can obviously go for a sell position. Okay, I am not mentioning that doesn't mean that it will not work. Okay, I am also a trader like you. 1.0640. Okay, this is second resistance. Okay, this may also work, but I think that these two resistances will play a bigger role on the chart of Euro USD, because if market reverses from this resistance, then we may see a big drop on the chart of gold, because head and shoulder is a very popular trend reversal pattern. Similarly, this level is also very, very important, because here we have the 100 moving average as well as we have Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level. So right now I will not suggest any buy or sell position. If you are holding any buy or sell position, be on the trade, no need to exit. To be honest, I am a believer of levels. Okay, I do not try to predict the market for 1 month, 2 months, 1 year. Okay, because that is not my forte. I'm good with levels, so every day I come and just discuss about levels. Okay, hopefully you all are liking my work. Thank you so much. And anyways, keep in mind, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Never forget, capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye-bye. Take care.